close.
That one like. Doom,
That one scared me.
That scared the heck out of my. Look how big that cloud of smoke is. Just cover your ears when they do that. Okay.
That one scared me. Yeah.
I wish I could see some more fireworks now. You can't even see the mountains and the trees over there. It's all smoked up.
Stop.
I'm just so happy. Sorry, guys. Yeah. The car came here. We couldn't light up the fire. Jade, Azrael DJ's sister.
Oh, I forgot to bring my 3D glasses. Oh well. It's alright, Winter.
I'm gonna get my 3D glasses real quick.
Hurry up. You got them?
Nice.
Okay.
Whoa!
Are you okay? Your forehead. I felt your forehead.
Yeah. It's good. It's good. Everything looks so cool. Why is everything so big? When you're outside, it's so
Just
scary.
look at the stand right here near me.
Whoa.
Oh,
Looked like it came out
yeah.
the screen. Whatever happened.
Oh, the nice fireworks smell. You can hear the foil falling down. Oh, here you go.
Oh, so beautiful. That's so beautiful.
Hi, Mommy.
Just grab some so easily.
Mommy, do you like those ones?
Instead of going up the stairs.
The ones I was laughing at me last time.
I want the camera to see it.
It did.
Like,
No, they won't see it like that. If they had glasses of their own, then they would see it. Okay?
Are you gonna upload this on YouTube?
Maybe. Hi, Daddy.
Okay. I'm looking at the shoot. That's so scary.
That was awesome, man. It was
Smells
so
like
awesome
ham.
that I almost farted.
There's so many smoke clouds. Into well.
Into well.
No more.
I don't know what you're saying.
There's only 3 more left. It's gonna be loud. Go!
It was so loud. Oh, that was beautiful.
That was so great.
I know, right? I love fireworks, man. I swear. Maybe one day I'll make a firework
I can't
channel.
wait for the last one. It's gonna be cool.
Oh, that is beautiful too.
That was beautiful. You know what? I want to see this without the rainbow.
Hey, at least you're
glasses.
putting the canister shells in all the way.
Yeah, that way it doesn't, you know. That smells so good.
Yum, yummy.